To migrate a WordPress site to a new host, follow these steps. Back up your WordPress site. Files. Use FTP or a file manager in cPanel to download all files from your old host, including WordPress core files, themes, plugins, and media files. Database. In cPanel, go to phpMyAdmin and export your WordPress database. Set up new hosting. On your new hosting provider, set up a new WordPress installation or create a new database via cPanel. Note the new database name, username, and password, as you will need this later. Upload files to new host. Use FTP or the file manager in the new host cPanel to upload your WordPress files to the new server. Import the database. In phpMyAdmin, create a new database and import the old database backup you exported earlier. Update wp-config.php. In the WordPress folder on the new host, edit the wp-config.php file with the new database details. Update DNS. Update your domain's DNS settings to point to the new host by modifying the A record or name servers via your domain registrar. Test the site. Ensure everything is working correctly, including images, links, and plugins. If necessary, update permalinks and clear cache.